Welcome to Math Mantra. Today we are going to discuss about the story sums on multiplication. The first question we see, the cost of a headphones is rupees 564. What is the cost of a 285 headphones? Always remember when they give you cost of one thing and if they ask you to find out more things cost, then you have to make use of multiplication. So the cost of one headphones is 564, and make sure that whenever you are dealing with statement sums, it is very important to write the statements. So in order to find the cost of 285 headphones, we have multiplied with 564 and the answer we obtained 1,60,740. Therefore, the cost of 285 headphones is rupees 1,60,740. Let's see the next question. It's a very crazy question. Here, a small logic we need to follow. So, the question been asked, if four-digit number starts with 25, the next two digits are three times the first two digits. This four-digit number is multiplied by 352. What is the product? See, such a crazy question it is. We supposed to find out the four-digit number first. In order to do that, we don't know what is the four-digit number. So let us assume a four-digit number B. So A, B, C, D. So here first two digits they have given as 25. So I'm going to substitute that, and they have given the next two digits, it is 3 times of the first two digits. So 3 times of first two digits, which means that you have to multiply this 25 with the 3. When we multiply 25 with 3, we are going to obtain 75. So which means that the 75, it's nothing but C and D. So we are going to write the full number, that is 2575. This 25 is the digits which been given in the question, and this 75 we obtained by applying the condition given in the question. So now it is 2575. So we have to, what we have to do, the four-digit number is multiplied by 352. So once you get the answer, you have to multiply by 352. So finally, what answer you're going to obtain? 9,06,400. Okay. Hope you understood. Please go through it again for better understanding. Next question we see. Find 24,321 added to itself 25 times. So which means it's very crazy. See here, they have given a number and they are saying that it will be added to itself how many times? For 25 times. So let's see the number first. So the number is 24,332. Okay. So here this number has to be added to itself how many times? 25 times. So is it possible writing 25 times and adding? So we know one hint, that is the repeated addition is known as multiplication. Okay, so simply we just going to multiply the number with 25. This is what we are going to obtain. 24,321 will be multiplied by 25 in order to obtain the answer. So when you multiply with 25, you are going to obtain 6,08,025. Let's see the next question. Find 3,132 added to 30,000 and the sum multiplied by 38. See here, it's very easy. This is one number been given. We need to add this number with 30,000, and after adding we are going to get the answer. That answer, it's nothing but the sum, okay? So that answer need to be multiplied by 38. That's it. So first write the number for the words given in the question. So the sum of 3,132 and 30,000 will be 33,132. Here is the sum we just added. Okay, the number is this one and we added with 30,000 and here is the answer. So now this answer need to be multiplied by 38. So here we have done it. Okay. So it is 12,59,016. So this is our answer. Okay. Next. What's the product of the largest 4-digit number and the largest 2-digit number? It's really very easy question. So in previous sessions we have discussed what is largest numbers, what are the smallest numbers. Okay. So when we are discussing about largest 4-digit number, what must come to your mind? So it's nothing but 9999. So 4 times we just need to write nines. So 9,999, it's your largest 4-digit number. Okay. So the largest 2-digit number is 99. So we need to find out the product. What do you mean by product? We just need to multiply them. So we are going to get the answer as 9,89,901. Okay, next. Yeah, a book has 236 pages. If 1,135 copies of the book are printed, how many pages in all are printed? See, we must find out the number of pages in 1,135 copies. Okay, so in single copy how many pages are there? 236. So what you have to do, just simple, you just need to list out whatever is given in the question. So the number of pages in one book and number of pages in 1,135 books will be, just we need to multiply with 236. So what answer we are going to obtain? It's nothing but 2,67,860. Therefore, the number of pages are, how many are there? 2,67,860 pages are there in all printed books. Okay. So make sure whenever they are asking for huge thing by giving the individual thing value, we just have to multiply. Okay, next question we're gonna see. Mr. Nixon earns, how much he is earning? 12,560 rupees per month. He saves half of this amount. If he saves the same amount for 10 years, how much money would he save? The question is too crazy. See, he is earning 12,560 and half of the amount he is saving per month. So, for 10 years, if he saves same amount, how much he can save it? Okay, So first we are going to write the statement saying that the amount Mr. Nixon saves per month. Okay, so here we just need to multiply it. Okay, so here he earns. Please, here small mistake happened. So Nixon earns per month. This is earns. Please cut this saves and please write earns. Earns per month is 12,560, and how much he saves? Half of the amount, which means that we just need to multiply by 1 by 2. So it's nothing but dividing by 2. Okay, and we are going to get 6,280. So per month he is saving 6,280. So now the amount he saves per 1 year. So, see, before going to calculate for 10 years, it's better if you calculate for 1 year. For per month, this much he is saving. So, 1 year means how many months? 12 months. So, with 12, if you multiply, you're going to obtain how much? 75,360 per year. So for 10 years, how much it could be? We just need to multiply this answer with 10. So we're gonna get how much? 7,53,600. Okay. So therefore, he saves 7,53,600 for 10 years. Great saving. Yeah. So please go through the video for better understanding. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe my channel Math Mantra by Tippanagari Radha. Thanks for watching.